dears, happy morning. Welcome to Maths online class. Previous class we learnt introduction of angles. Now once again we recall about that. Okay? What is an angle? Your time starts now. Answer. The figure formed by two rays or two lines with the same initial point is called an angle. What are the different types of an angle? There are four types of an angle. First one, acute angle. What is an acute angle? Greater than 0 degree and less than 90 degree is called an acute angle. Second one, obtuse angle. What is an obtuse angle? Answer, greater than 90 degree, less than 180 degree is called an obtuse angle. Third, what is right angle? Exactly 90 degree is called right angle. Last, straight angle. Exactly 180 degree is called straight angle. How is measured the angle? Angle is measured in degree. Classify the following angles. Answer, 30 degree, 45 degree and 60 degree also less than 90 degree. So these are called an acute angle. 90 degree, what angle? Say the answer. 90 degree is a right angle, correct. 120 degree, 130 degree, 170 degree are obtuse angle, correct. Today our class numbers beyond 10,000. Already we learnt about numbers up to 5 digit. Now we recall the numbers up to 5 digit. Okay? Which is the smallest 1 digit number? Do you know? Answer is 1. Which is the greatest 1 digit number? Answer is 9. When you add 1 to the largest 1 digit number, will you get 2 digit number? 10. Yes, smallest 2 digit number is 10. Greatest 2 digit number is 99. 3 digit smallest number is 100. Greatest number is 999. 4 digit smallest number is 1000. 4 digit greatest number is 9999. Similarly, 5 digit smallest number is 10,000. Greatest number is 99,999. 6 digit smallest number is 1 lakh. Greatest number is 9,99,999. So, every digit starting number is smallest number. Every digit ending number is largest number. Do you understand? Once again, every digit starting number is smallest number. Every digit ending number is greatest number. Okay? Shall we go to next? Once again, observed. Dear students, do you know the place value? Place value is used to read and write the numbers easily. Yes. Place value is starting from ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs. Okay? Next, 5 digit number has two periods. Yes, first ones period. Ones period has three places. They are ones, tens and hundreds. Next, thousands period. Thousands period has two places. They are thousands and 10,000s. Like that, 6-digit number has three period. First ones period has three places. They are ones, tens and hundreds. Next, thousands period. Thousands period has two places. They are 1000 and 10,000. Then lakhs period. Lakhs period has two places. They are lakhs place and 10 lakhs place. Okay, do you understand? First one, introduction question. The price of television 18,500, cell phone 15,250, LPG cylinder 975, wooden cart is 30,000, car is 4,50,000, bicycle 5,250, price of pen is 115. Okay, which is worth more than 10,000 and which is worth less than 10,000? List out. Dear student, do you find the answer? Okay. Answer, which is more than 10,000? Television, cell phone, wooden cart, a car. Which is less than 10,000? Answer, LPG cylinder, bicycle and pen. Okay. Dear students, fill in the table from 10,001 to 10,100. The first row already done for you. The first row answer 10001, 10,001. Next 10,002, 10,003, 10,004, 10,005, 10,006, 10,007, 10,010. Next second row 10011, 10,011. Next 10,012, 10,013, 10,014, 10,015, 10,016, 10,017, 10,018, 10,019, 10,020. Similarly, do it fully. Dear students, today your activity number 1, add up to 10 in the table. The first row already done for you. The first row starting number is 10,010. The ending number is 10,100. Second row we will start 10,110. The ending number is 10,200. That means 10200. Only 5 digits. Okay. Next, third row. We'll start 10,210. We add up to 10. Then 10,220. At last number 10,300. Similarly, fill in the remaining places. Dear students, shall we go to do the exercise number 2.1? First one, 10,101. Next 10,102. Next 10,103. The first dash answer 10104. 10,104. Next 10105. 10,105. Next 10,106. Next 10,107. B sum 10,220. Next 10,230. We add up to 10. So answer 10,240, next 10,250, next 10,260, last number 10,270. Okay, third question, again we add up to 10. So answer 10,930, 10,940, 10,950, last number 10,970. Last question, 11,101, 11,102, 11,103. So continuous number answer. Students, now activity 2. Lakhs in many ways. Shall we go to find the answer? How many ones in lakh? Answer, lakh ones in lakh. Second, how many tens in lakh? How many tens? 10,000 tens in lakh. Next, how many hundreds in lakh? Answer, 1,000 hundreds in lakh. Next, how many thousands in lakh? 100 thousands in lakh. At last question, how many 10,000s in lakh? Answer, 10 10,000s in lakh. Okay, do you understand? See the picture. Now example 3, write the place value of each digits for the given numbers. Okay, already we told the place value. Yes, see the picture in. We should start the place value from right side. Okay, see the place value box. 9 ones, 8 tens, 7 hundreds, 6 thousand, 5 10,000s, 4 lakhs, 3 10 lakhs, 4 crores. Okay, the ones place has 9. So 9 into 1, 9 ones. The tens place has 8 into 10, 8 tens. The hundreds place 7. 7 into 100, 700. Thousands place is 6. 6 into 1000, 6,000. 10,000 place 5. 5 into 10,000, 5 10,000 or 50,000. 4 into lakh, 4 lakhs. 3 into 10 lakhs, 3 10 lakhs or 30 lakhs. 4 into crore, 4 crores. Okay, do you understand? See the picture. Watch carefully. Say the place value once again. Ones, tens, hundreds, 1,000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores. Next activity. Write the place value of 7 and 1 for the given numbers. First one, 8170453. Say the place value. Place value of 7 and 1. 7 is 10,000. 1 lakh. Okay. Remaining sums, do it yourself. Now, I hope you are all very clear about that. Once again, say the place value. Say the place value. Ones, tens, hundreds, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakhs, crore, 10 crores. Okay. Next, homework session. Today your homework, exercise 2.2a. Do it correctly. Send the answer soon. Okay. Thank you, dears.